Start recording. I am Hammer Time. This is the ALS challenge. And I challenge Nats 009, PewDiePie, and Moneymaker 254. Shit felt good and I forgot to take my hat off. Now I'm just chilling. That's Hammer Time for you. And I challenge you, Nats 009, PewDiePie, and Moneymaker 254 for the challenge. You're next. Damn, it felt good. I wish I could do it again. Too bad I ain't got no more. You're next. Alright, I can't stop it. I gotta do a 10-minute video now. What do I do now? Do somersaults, cartwheels? What do y'all want? No cartwheels or somersaults. Man, that felt good. I wish I took my hat off though. I should have took the hat off because that would have felt way better with the hat on. I mean, if the hat would have been off, I would have felt it real good. But that was good enough. What do you think? You crazy, man. Nah, I'm Hammer Time. I ain't crazy. Hey, it felt good too, man. I wish I could do it again. Now I got ice in here. Juggle smash. More ice? I want to do it again, man. Thanks, Army Runner. Yeah, another regular bucket of water. Got to do it again. Oh, well. No, I like the ice water because it's colder. I should let it damn get way cold. And the more it melted, I should let it melt more because the more it melts, the colder it gets. And I should have took my hat off, man. I didn't. All I felt was down this part. I didn't feel it on my head. And that's where I need it most, is on my friggin' head, because I'm burning up. I think I'll get something to drink. I'm gonna walk in here and get me some apple juice. Hey, if I put the ice back in there, maybe I could. I'd have to pick up all this ice to do it again. But yeah, that was fun. Two things that didn't go as I wanted. One, I was stupid and left the hat on. That was number one. Number two, I didn't get as wet as I wanted. My pants are barely even wet. My shirt's soaked. My hat's soaked, but my head ain't. That pisses me off. No, I don't want a regular bucket. I'm gonna get me another bag of ice tomorrow, probably. Do it again. But that one's going on my YouTube channel. That one's going to be uploaded to my YouTube channel as soon as possible. Now I told my girlfriend I'll show her tonight. My YouTube channel is YouTube/user/HammerArmy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like and subscribe to Nats009, aka Nats009. That's how I like to say it. And Moneymaker254, don't forget to subscribe to him too. Those are the two I challenged. And PewDiePie, don't subscribe to him because he's already got enough damn subscribers. But us little people, we need your help. And that's why, that's one reason why I've done the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS. And another is because I love to support any cause, and that was a good way to support a cause, and plus it helped me because, you know, I got to cool off. And plus it was fun. What a rush, man. I loved it. I want to do it again right now. Had another damn thing of ice, I'd do it in a heartbeat. I swear I would. Gabriel, what's up? My buddy. Yep, I'm still doing hammer time tonight, so there's Caterpillar. Caterpillar, what are you doing? Missed the Ice Bucket Challenge, brother. But you can check it out on my YouTube channel. Like I said, YouTube/user/HammerArmy. It'll be uploaded later on this evening, because as soon as that says video clip saved, I'm going to upload it, and then Nats009 will cut it down and trim it to where it needs to be, and then pow, pow, it'll be up there. My hair didn't even get that wet. Jesus, man, what the? I gotta take a shower after a while, man. After I get that burning up, I gotta take a shower, and then I gotta stream at 7 p.m. Eastern, 12 o'clock UK time. Holy moly, it's hot. So what's up with everybody else? It'll be done. I know, Nats009's a good person, Army runner. It's my best friend in the whole wide world. She's an awesome chick, man. Too bad they don't make them like that in America. Because if they did, by God, I'd have it. I'd have that one. Oh well, fuck it. I never liked nobody on the internet before, except for that one person. It's the only one I ever will, because they're not psycho like everybody else. Oh, the breeze feels good. Yeah, keep it coming, Lord. Keep it coming. Yes. Feels so great. I love that summer, whatever it is, breeze. It ain't summertime. Thanks, brother. How long's 10 minutes of video anyway? Damn. I done an Ice Bucket Challenge, been standing here talking for 10 minutes, ain't I? At least. Now I need my sunglasses out here, huh? God, that wind feels so great. Now it's so wet. My arm's cold, yeah.